Hi every guys, it's my birthday! You say. Say.
This is my flower. This is my flower. Guys. Why there's a bumblebee here?
How old will you be tomorrow, Adriana? How old will you be? Are you gonna be 1?
No. 3.
3.
No. When I wake up, when the cross my stand to Mary, Jesus, no sir. I will give you my heart and soul. Good morning, Lord.
More straight.
300 meters. Your destination will be on the left.
Left. We're here.
We're here,
Daddy can finally eat. Have fun.
There's no food. In the farm.
Adriana. Happy birthday, baby.
Natulog ba yan? 36.1 po.
Form time.
O, tingnan mo na yung hihigaan mo na. Let's go!
Baby, ano mo?
Careful.
Wow!
Dito ah.
Ayun na yung sarili mong room.
Not yet. Hey, no. Every guy! I'm here, every guy!
Are you having fun? Go down. Swimming tayo mamaya.
Is that
Mainit din ah.
one?
You wanna swim, Adriana?
Going, Dada.
What are you swimming at?
I think.
Ducks?
Look at the camera.
Hi guys. Hey guys, what's up? Looking for food?
Look, that's a different kind of ano.
That's a chicken. My baby is not scared of them.
Yeah.
Ayun o. Adriana, what are you doing? Yeah, picture. Wow, swimming.
Hi, monkey. One board.
Adriana, you go and say hi.
Explore board.
Cute.
Hi.
Ay, kami nakita mo sila. Okay, Anton, go, go,
Nice
go.
one, Anton.
Anton, smile!
May kuto ba? May kuto? Kuto?
Pipicture kita. You want?
Kuto? Kuto?
Hindi rin mag-swimming din.
The fruit. Look. What's this?
Adriana, feed the rabbits.
Rabbit.
Peter? And who's that?
Rabbit.
Benji? Benjamin?
The rabbits are cute. Mommy, eating it.
Adriana.
And feel it in my.
Adriana, Kenny.
Ito po ma'am si Star, orphan yan, kaya malnourished yan.
Here.
Na
Share.
po nanay yan na klaw ng ahas.
Ahas dito?
Dito?
Look.
Sa farm?
O, di naman po, dyan sa baba. Doon.
Sarap. Dinner time. Who are the cookers?
Grillers.
The grillers.
Yeah. But what?
You get your water. Okay, you go with Tita Ida, you watch Moana, okay?
Outdoor cinema.
One
Moana.
some
Watching.
came across the great ocean for a
Okay lang kay Jans, sir? Hello! Have you seen Moana? Rap. Talaga pambala.
Mas ka. Charot.
Oh, how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans.
Hello every guys.
Ay, Anton, upo ka.
Ay, sarap. Diba?
Niluto ba yung marshmallow niyo?
Pretend.
Guys, to mahaba. Laki ng hot
Ayan
dog.
na.
Laki pa na nung hot.
Siguro i-half.
Hot, it's hot. You know, it's hot. Bonfire. Roasting.
Uy, nakukok na.
Eat. There you go.
It's burned.
Ganun mo, iwan mo.
Ouch!
Arch na? Okay na.
Babalik ka rin na siya pag may hangin papunta sa kanya ma'am.
Adriana.
Tadaw ka na pa.
Adriana.
Nawala na yung
Wait, one more. Ito pa, oh. Anton, you move.
Adriana.
Okay.
Woo! There's so many lights.
Last na to. You want?
Here.
You want more?
Plus na eh.
Birthday, Adriana.
Sana hindi lang.
Happy birthday, Adriana.
Birthday, Adriana.
I love you.
3 years old na.
You're 3. corned beef. Good morning. Our cook. That's our cook.
It's harmless.
It's harmless. Put on your shoulder. Dali, I'll take a video of you.
I don't want to.
Wow. Lakas ng loob ng ate. Oh.
Ano? Pampunas ni Antonio.
Whoa, okay. Are you gonna strike me? No. Whoa, okay. Snake before. Are you gonna touch it?
That's the snake, oh.
So cute ah, kilite. Not to me, not to me, not to me.
Let's touch together.
Tapos hinaharang niya ako.
Is it fun?
Ano po sila?
Burmese python pala to eh. Ongla.
Ito albino. Albino tsaka normal.
Tan! Tan!
Nice.
Look forward.
Ang cute.
Tan!
There
Look at
you
me.
go.
Nanginginig siya.
Look at me!
Naninigas.
Very good.
Very good ah.
Isa pa ba?
Isa pa.
Oh my God.
Okay lang. Mabigat.
Okay, very good.
Ang super bigat. Ang super bigat.
Anton, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Super enjoy.
Nasaan ba tayo ngayon? We're in the mango farm now. Adriana.
Pero kuya,
Hi Adriana. Happy birthday.
Ninong. Wag ka
Ito, lalagyan ko siya na... Ma'am, familiar pa kayo doon sa movie dati na Ewoks? Yes.
Feeding Annika.
Go then. Okay, Camila naman. Your turn. Camila's turn. Diyan na mo babit. Kapag si ate mo. Ikaw, you want also? You want? The Hello Kitty?
Annika, drink some more milk.
Naka.
Annika. I'm full. Don't want any more milk.
Day to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Footsteps in the doorway, my hand finding your face. Let's do something we're afraid of. Burning into midnight, floating under the sky. So much there